Yeah, definitely. Good. Be comfortable and have pen and paper with you. Oh. So I was speaking to your father, right? Avinash
Yeah,
sir?
yeah,
Avinash sir is your father?
yeah.
Oh. Okay, so student, I'm Shravan Kumar. I'm connecting from Hyderabad only. So you see, I just got retired from Air Force. From last 2 years, I have taken this as my full-time profession. Okay. So last year, I have trained 10 students, but this year I have trained 30 students. We are somewhat different from many other institutes, whatever you see it here. Okay. And I'll try to check it in my demo, that particular thing. Okay. So let me share my screen, student. Okay, so student, as I said, let us go for the physics demo. And believe me, at anything you are starting in your life, first of all, you should know at least the English meaning of the thing, whatever you are doing it. Not only in academics, in your life also, whatever you're doing, at least you should know the meaning why you are doing it and what is that you are doing it. Okay. So if you ask me, sir, what is physics? Same in simple language, what I'll say. So you can see the pen tab in my hand. Is it occupying some place or not in this particular room?
Yes.
Yes, anything that occupies place in this particular environment, we call it as a matter. So physics is nothing but study of matter. Study of matter. Now the question comes, sir, is it what it is made of? Are we studying that? No. That is chemistry. What it is made up of, that we learn in chemistry. The physics is nothing but why it is falling down. Okay, why I'm able to rotate and still it is rotating. So we need to use the word something like forces, gravitational force, centripetal force, like that. Okay. So in a simple way, physics is nothing but study of matter with the relating concepts of force and energy. Understood? I should use some technical words. Now we are in grade 10. Okay. So I can just say study of matter, but I need to use some technical words, something like energy, force, like that. Okay. Yeah. Now the question comes, sir, why are we studying it? Why are we studying it? So first of all, let me show you what all you have in the physics in your class 10. You see, these are the 4 chapters which you have in the class 10 beta, physics. And you can see the marks wise also, amount of marks that will be you will be facing in your grade 10. Light, human eye, electricity, magnetic effects. 4 chapters are there in physics. Now, if you ask me, sir, why are we going to learn physics? So there are numerous things which I can't explain. But one example I give. You see, this is a human eye chapter. This is in physics. If you read this, what you will get? You see, suppose our vision is something like that. We need to correct our vision. We need to use lens. Which type of lens will you use? Concave lens. Our particular vision is something like this. Even though if you use these two lenses, nothing works. So this is because of cataract. So again, surgical operation. So at some point of the time in your day, you will be automatically your physics will be automatically helping you. Okay, understood. So for that reason, we need to learn physics. Yeah. So now you can ask, sir, no, I'm not interested in physics, but still, student up to 10, at least basic knowledge we need to have about everything, not only physics but also chemistry, biology. Like you see, I can see a plant in front of me. My kid has kept it under the shadow. But I know the biology. I know it can't prepare its own food if I keep it in always a shadow. I just brought it left side and ensure that the sunlight is passing on it. So little things will definitely make us aware of this environment. That's the reason we are going to learn basic things up to class 10. After class 10, then you have all the options. You can focus on little things and you can go deeper into that. Okay? Oh. So with that, let us start our first chapter, light beta, light. Okay. Now the question comes, sir, what is light? As you said, chapter name is also important. Tell me what is light. The simple meaning, if you switch on the light, you will be able to see the things. If you don't switch on the light, you will not be able to. But as I said, it is a physics. I need to use some words like energy, physics, like that. I can just rephrase my light definition. Light is a form of energy that allows us to see the things around you. Understood till here? So Gupta, what is this PTG full form?
Huh?
PTG. Your name is PTG. Can you spell full name?
No, that's actually my father's
Okay, okay, no.
work.
Okay, no problem. Leave it. Anyhow, okay, I can name you as Gupta only, right? Is it
I'll
fine?
change it if you want.
No problem. Leave it, leave it. Yeah, then the question comes, where is this light coming from? Obviously, there are many sources, but we will definitely divide it into natural and artificial. So wherever light is coming, we call it as a luminous. Luminous is nothing but that one shines a lot. Luminous. And there are two sources. Can you say me what are the natural sources of light?
Sun,
Very good. Anything else?
sun, stars maybe, they emit light.
Yes. What else?
Meteoroids,
Very good. Right answer, student. Absolutely. Okay. During the thundering, lightning, you will see a huge amount of light, sun, meteors. These all are the natural sources. Obviously, artificial sources of light are nothing but the one which we see, the lamp, bulb, candle. These all are the artificial sources of light. Okay. So these two things you need to know. Okay. Now you see, whenever you see something like fire accidents, especially in the newspapers, you will be seeing this word incandescent light that clearly shows that the light is coming from hot objects. So you can say hot light. The best example is again sun. It is very, very hot and it is giving high light also. So sun is an incandescent light. Okay. So Gupta, if I say hot light, so will there be a cool light also?
Sir,
Will there be a cool light? As it is a hot light, I said, will there be a cool light in this nature?
I don't know.
Right? Okay. So student, anyhow, hot light is incandescent light. We have a cool light also. We call it as a luminescent light. Luminescent light is nothing but cool light. And the best example is firefly. Okay. So when it consumes something during the chemical digestion in stomach, while the chemical process is going on, so little visible light will be coming out of its stomach, and that is how we feel that it is shiny thing. Okay, so incandescent light, hot light, and luminescent light, it is nothing but cool light. Understood till here, beta?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Then the story comes, student. Now you see, student. So if I come to your home and switch off all the lights in your room, will you able to see the objects?
No.
So you mean to say light is very important thing so that your brain should feel the object. Very good. Second, Uh, if I come there, all the lights are on, I'll close your eyes. Will you see the objects?
No.
No. Okay. So,
My
student,
vision is blocked.
your vision is blocked. Your brain can't feel the images at all. Okay. So, these two are very, very important tools. But you see, assume you are an astronaut. You went to the space. First of all, you went to the space. Eyes are with you. You have your own eyes with you. So, definitely, in these both important things, one thing you have. Second, sunlight is everywhere in the space. So light is also there. Then why do you see everything black over there? Even though you have eyes and light, why do you see everything black? Just now you said you need to have these two things. You can see the things, your brain can feel the things. But why like that in the space? Any photograph you take, any movie you take, whenever they're showing space, it is always black.
Because there's no there's no, what do you say, atoms in the space, like in the space.
Atom,
There's no oxygen.
oxygen means you have just taken your own oxygen carrier with you. That's fine. You will be still alive. So what are not there? You are absolutely right. You are half right. Something is not there. You are not able to see. What is that something?
Space is infinite. You like.
Space is infinite. So I need to see infinite light. The third thing is the answer is there in my question only. You are not able to see the objects because there are no objects. First of all, there are no objects. What will you see? That's the reason you are not able to see. You are able to see entirely black. So you can clearly say that, sir, for my brain to feel the object, I require three things. One, light. That may be any light, sunlight, artificial light. Second, object is very, very important. Without object, you can't feel things. Third, your eyes. These three are very, very important, student, to feel the object. First is light, second is object, third is your eye. Then only your brain can feel the images. Your brain can feel the objects. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so in the first, sir, in this particular class 10, what are we going to read? Are we going to see about the brain, eye, or objects or lights? You are
How?
going to see how the light is coming from the source to object. And second most important, maximum you will be concentrating how is the light reflecting from the object. These two things you will be going to see in the first chapter beta. Light, reflection and refraction. How the light rays are reflecting and refracting from the object. Our main focus will be on that. Okay. And in the second chapter, how the image is formed in your eyes. That is nothing but your second chapter. Human eye and colorful world. Why that particular rainbow? Why dispersion of light? How I'm able to see the things. If at all I'm not able to see the things, how these lens are correcting my view. Those all you will be looking in the chapter number 2, student. Chapter number 2 you will be studying. Okay. So understood what is your physics all about? So I
Yes.
have explained what is physics, two types of and what is light, two types of light, artificial and natural. Then I have explained hot light, cool light, nothing but incandescent light, luminescent light. Then I have shown you three important things for your brain to feel the image: light, object, and eyes. Okay. And right now I am saying in your chapter 2, we'll be concentrating more on here how the light is getting reflected from the object. And in chapter number 2, we'll be seeing more about how the image is forming in your eye. Okay, shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah. So before moving to the particular chapter, you see these all are the basics which your NCRT will not give. Okay, so you see this chapter I am taking almost 15 sessions, and in that you can say something around sixth session is where your NCRT is starting, and it will be ending around 13th session. Okay, so what will I do? I'll give the basics of that particular chapter, then develop your class 10, then little for class 11, and I'll leave it. Why, sir? Is it required to do these many things? Obviously, it is required. Why? Because your class 10 now it is concentrating more on 50% competence based question. That means your NCRT knowledge is not at all enough. NCRT direction is fine, but you need to know more before and after that also to do the numericals from that particular chapter. Okay. Okay. So Gupta, so two things we need to move ahead. So for that, we need to assume light always travels in a straight line. You see, light is coming in a straight line, light is going in a straight line. So, sir, can we prove it? Yes, you can prove it. In your higher classes, you will have this experiment with you. For class 10, we will assume light always travels in a straight line. Second thing, can you say me speed of the light?
3 into 10 to the power of 8.
What is so anything after that, if the units are not given, that is totally unfair. Units.
Meter per second, I think.
Very good. Right answer. Absolutely right answer. So you see, student, right now, as I'm a Air Force guy, I'll just explain with the help of the fighter aircraft. The fighter aircraft speed, what we have is 1500 kilometer per hour. But you see, this is 3 lakh kilometer per second. So you can understand how fast is light compared. Fighter aircrafts only we can't be able to see after few seconds, but light 3 lakh kilometer per second, you can't even imagine. It is beyond our imagination. And whatever the speed, that speed is in vacuum better. Why? Because in the vacuum, nobody is there to stop it. It is moving at its own speed. But if the light reaches our Earth surface, little reduction will be there in the speed. Why? Why? Because dust particles will be obstructing it, air particles will be obstructing it, all small particles will be obstructing it. Its speed lightly reduces, something around 2.99 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So with that, let us do some of the questions and move to the actual chapter. Yeah. So you can give it in the chat box if you want, but now if you are alone, you can also shout out the answers.
Um, all of these are natural sources of light, right?
Okay. So, but there should be one answer, right? I can't give you the first question of your is the wrong question, right?
No, it is saying which one is not,
Not the natural source.
but all of them are natural
Okay. So naturally is fine. Source of light also is asking.
source of light. A moon.
Yes. Moon doesn't produce its own light. It just reflects the sunlight. Okay.
Yes.
So moon is the right answer. Select the correct statement.
B.
Light travels in a straight path. You're absolutely right. Incandescent light is.
Uh, B. I think B.
Bravo, right?
Yeah.
Yes. temperature, hot temperature, or right answer. Okay. So with this little basics, we'll again go into the our chapter basics now. Okay. So whatever I gave the basics, these are the light basics. Now for our chapter, we need to know something. Okay. Yeah. So students, so as I said you, your chapter name is light, and he will be concentrating more on these two words. Okay. So now, sir, why this chapter is so important that he is asking for how many marks? 10 marks. First of all, this chapter is not only important for your CBSE, this chapter is important for your Olympiad exam and any competitive exam of class 10 nature, a very favorite area. Okay, so when you go to class 12, again you will be learning this chapter, but not the basics. Okay, you will be learning some advanced things from same light chapter. National Talent Search Examination also favorite chapter. Okay, and in this chapter also you have seen almost 60 percentage weightage, 10 marks, 2 marks, 7 marks, 6 marks. So you can say most weightage chapter in this particular class 10 physics. Okay. Now, so in today's demo session, what will I teach you? I'll teach you what is reflection of light, what is loss of reflection, and few questions based on geometry you'll be doing with the help of pen and paper, whatever you have. Okay. So did your class 10 start?
Yeah, it started.
When did it start?
It started on January.
January. Oh, so you almost finished 30% syllabus, I guess then.
We in physics we completed light only.
As a only light. So that's a big chapter. That's a really big chapter.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyhow, so if you have completed
Like
that,
at the end of it,
okay. So then say me what is reflection of light?
reflection of light is when the incident ray which is emitted by the surface and a smooth or rough surface, that light is reflected back in a different or in the same direction. That is called the reflection.
Okay, so good to see that you have given the textbook definition. But to the understanding, I'll show you one video that is nothing but reflection of light. So by with this particular video, let us see what is reflection of light. You can see, student, a light is coming and just hitting some surface and reflecting back. A green light is coming, reflecting back. This light is coming. I should use the word bouncing back because I'm explaining reflection. I can't use the reflection again. So something light is coming and bouncing back. That is nothing but reflection. But there is one very important keyword what is missing. What is that? That is nothing but bouncing back in the same medium. So you can see light is coming from the air, going back to air. Light is coming from the air, going back to air. Light is coming from the air, going. So bouncing back of light in the same medium is nothing but reflection of it. Understood clearly?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now the question comes, sir, how do we represent it on paper? So you'll represent it like this. You see, if you take some source, there you take any source, either your small lamp, bulb, or sunlight, millions of rays will be coming from that source. But we can't analyze all of them. It's pretty difficult. Then what we'll do? We'll just take one incident ray. So incident ray is nothing but a light direction coming from the source like that it is coming and hitting. Now there is a mirror. What is the specialty of mirror? The backside of the mirror is painted. So what
Multi.
does, yeah, so silver painted with it. So what is that? It will not allow this light to come here. No, all the light will be reflecting back, and the reflecting light ray is nothing but this. So whenever I'm calling ray, it's a direction of light. Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
now here the question comes. Now here the very interesting question comes. So I'm able to see some light is incidenting here. There is a mirror here. Beautifully, I'm able to see some angle is forming here. Again, I'm able to see the light is reflecting back. There is surface here. Here, I'm able to see some angle is forming. But so practically, I should say this should be angle of incidence, but he's not calling this as angle of incidence. This should be angle of reflection. He's not calling this as angle of reflection. But what this fellow is doing, he is drawing one virtual line, which is nothing but normal. It is not present in the real world at all, but he is drawing. So normal in math, it's 90 degrees, which is nothing but I am drawing 90 degrees from the surface. Now he is calling the angle between incident ray and normal is angle of incidence. The angle between reflected ray and normal is angle of reflection. Why? Why so that? Why he is not taking the physical things which he is able to see here as angle of incidence? He is not considering that. He is In mind, he's drawing something and he's assuming this as angle of incidence. Why like that?
So I'm sorry, just a bit. I'm sorry, sir. There's too much volume.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
so what's the reason why he is not considering this as angle of incidence, this as angle of reflection, but he's considering this as angle of incidence, this as angle of reflection?
So because that line makes the angle perpendicular at 90 degrees.
Okay, so that's fine. So normal is 90 degrees, or you can also call perpendicular to the surface. That's fine.
Mm,
Okay,
I don't know, sir.
okay, no problem. So let me help you. Okay, you see bouncing back into the same medium, light is coming from here, going back to here. This is called reflection. Yeah, suppose you and me both are in, assume your friend is also in Hyderabad. So we three are in India and sun reaches almost at the same point. Assume that sun rays is coming. I ask you to do the activity. Right now I am doing the activity. I am saying that okay, Gupta, so some sun rays is coming. I am measuring my angle of incidence. I am considering this as angle of incidence. I am getting 30 degrees. You do the same activity at your home at the same time and say me. I was on a phone call. So now you will be doing, okay, sir, let me also do. This is my surface and the incident ray is this. The sun rays is reaching almost same point at me also, at you also. Sir, I'm getting 35 degrees, you will shout out. Then again, I'll shout out to you, what is this? I'm getting 30 degrees, you are getting 35 degrees. How is that possible? Ask one of your friend. Now your friend is at something other place in Hyderabad only. He's over here. Now he's saying, sir, I'm getting only 25 degrees. Now all the three are confused. Why? Because the surfaces are not the same. My home is at horizontal surface. Your home is at curved surface which is outward, and your friend's home is at curved surface which is inward. We can't guarantee the surfaces. So to avoid this confusion, what did we do? Okay. So let's not confuse. All our surfaces are different. Let us do one thing. Let me. This is my home. Let me draw the normal. Now I'll measure. Now I'll say, okay, Gupta, I got 60 degrees. You please measure now at your home. So what you will do, okay, sir, this is my home. I will draw 90 degrees. Okay, normal. Then let me check the thing. You will also say, sir, even I'm getting 60. And your friend also, this is my home. Let me draw normal, which is exactly 90 degrees. He will measure the same thing. He will also say 60. So all our readings are correct. Understood why we are considering normal as a reference rather than surfaces?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, with that, we have understood what is this all diagram about. Okay. Now
Yes.
you need to know laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. You are not in a hurry, right? You already joined late. I need 1 hour demo.
Yeah, it's okay. You can take it, sure. Because I joined late, right?
So laws of reflection. Now, whatever whenever we say law, something we need to adhere to it. It's a rule. Okay. Now the light rays will also follow the same rule. What is the first law? First law is nothing but angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So just now we have done the activity. I got 60 degrees. Now if I ask you, students, you please also calculate the angle of reflection. You should not calculate. You should blindly say, sir, this will also be 60 degrees. Rule number one of laws of reflection. Okay, it is experimentally proven, and even you can do it in one point of time in your home. Okay. Second, yeah. So this particular rule you will be doing many questions on this, not only now in your regular sessions also. Okay. Second, second, what is the rule, student? Incident ray, green color, reflected ray, blue color, normal, the black color dotted line, they all lie in the same plane. Same plane. You need to understand it. There will be no questions on this particular thing, but you need to understand. Why? Because the questions from this topic will be coming in your class 12, not in class 10. Okay, so let us only understand and leave this particular law. What is this law saying? Okay, let me take this example. So, Gupta, if I ask you, assume this as a Cartesian coordinate or axis, whatever you know. So, what is this axis?
X-axis,
Very good. What is this axis?
Y-axis.
Very good. What is this axis?
That is also X-axis.
Okay. No. First of all, If this is x-axis, exactly opposite side will be minus x-axis. If this is y-axis, opposite side will be minus y-axis.
Mm.
Now what is this then?
That's the normal.
No. Yeah. So I'll try to help you here. What is this figure, beta? Square, right?
Yeah.
But student, that's a two-dimensional story. Now it's a three-dimensional. Your 10th class is three-dimensional. Now you see, student, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis going into the screen. So the third axis is the three-dimensional axis. So it is going into the screen. The same thing you can say, sir, this particular thing is coming out of my laptop, coming out of your mobile. So it's a z-axis.
Okay.
Understood? Okay, so I'll not confuse minus x and minus y. I'll only consider x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis.
Okay.
Yeah, now let us come to the word. So something he said, something like plane here. I need to explain what is this plane first of all. Okay. Yeah. So you can see the normal line. You can see the normal. So if I ask you which plane it is, so you need to say with the help of which and which axis I am able to draw this particular place.
X comma Y.
Exactly. So I need to say, sir, normal is in XY plane. Similarly, can you say reflected ray? Which plane?
Yeah.
Which plane?
It is in. Wait, no.
Reflected ray is here. I want to draw a area. So which axis I am taking help of?
Y and X axis only, right?
That's all. Same X and Y plane. So we call it as XY plane. Now you say me your incident ray. Which axis I am taking help of to draw this particular plane?
Y and Z axis.
Very good. ZY plane. Now let us read back the law number 2. What did he say, student? He said incident ray, reflected ray, and normal should all lie in the same plane. Are they lying in the same plane, Gupta?
Yeah. All of them are.
Are they lying in the same plane?
No, they're lying at different planes.
That's the reason this can't be. So light will never follow this one. Rule number 2 says they all three will be in the same plane like this. Now can you say me all the three are in which plane?
Same plane. Y and Z axis.
Very good. ZY plane you should say. Okay. ZY plane.
Yeah, ZY.
So now did you understand both the laws?
Yes.
Good student. Now let us see. So as my topic, so where are we, student? I explained what is reflection of light. I explained laws of reflection. Let us see few questions on based on geometry. Yeah, first question on the screen. So you can see some light is coming. It's a mirror. I need to draw the normal. It is reflecting back. Now the first question is he's asking angle of incidence. How much? Angle of incidence is here, beta. So what is this angle? How much is this angle?
60.
No. So 60 is here. He gave this as 60. What will be this angle then? Yeah, you see what is this? What is this line?
Normal.
Normally in mathematical, what is the meaning of normal?
90.
90 degrees. With respect to whom 90 degrees?
With respect to normal.
90 degrees with respect to whom? With respect to surface.
Yeah.
So that means this total angle should be 90. Now you say me, what will be this angle?
Okay. That's 90 then.
The total angle is 90. Now he is asking only this angle, angle of incidence.
30.
30. That is how he should say. Okay, so angle of incidence equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because normal ये पूरा 90 degrees होगा, ये 60 degrees होगा. So this will be left with 30. Go for
So,
the go for the second question.
angle of reflection. Angle of reflection will also be the same.
Right answer. Angle between incident ray and reflected ray. Incident ray is this, reflected ray is this. He's asking this angle.
It's 60 again.
60, right answer. Give me the fourth answer.
Angle between normal and mirror. 90.
Where is it? Okay, there is no reason to look at the question. Whenever he's saying normal with respect to surface or here surface is mirror, it's a 9. Oh, Yeah. So now, students, the questions will be coming like this. Okay. So you can't expect the basic questions. I'll show how the question comes. Okay. So first of all, whenever question is coming in terms of this geometrical or the construction file, you need to complete the diagram. How to complete the diagram? This one question I'll explain. Next one you try to do it. Yeah. So first of all, you are able to see some light is coming and it is it is incidenting on the mirror. So first of all, you need to draw the normal. Now, as it is a mirror, the light will be reflecting back. This is the diagram completion. So, first, so student, you see, there may be 100 questions from any subtopic of class 10. If you are practicing 100 question and good going, there will be 101th question which will be coming in your final exam. Then what to practice? You need to practice template concept. So that is how I am giving the template for each and every topic. I will be giving the template. What is a template, student? Template is nothing but first step, complete the diagram. Complete the. So in this particular topic, complete the diagram. Okay, yeah. So now what is asking? Angle of reflection, he's asking student. So this angle is asking. Now you go ahead and give the answer, student. This angle is the angle of reflection.
60.
Right answer. Okay. For this, you want this, and this is
60.
30, this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. Okay. So, but again, I'm saying do this one step and always give the answer. Okay. Don't directly jump to the answer. Next question on the screen, think and give the answer. Do that one step. Without doing, don't give the answer.
Can I like draw the diagram and do it?
Yeah, obviously.
Uh, Angle of reflection will be like a 90.
Think again. If you're confident, give the same answer again.
Okay. I think it's none of this because you need another angle, you know, down at near the surface, so then you could find it.
Okay, no problem. So
Because
you see, no. So what is this? This is incident ray, right? Did you
that's
take this?
90.
After incident ray hitting, what should I draw?
You should draw the incident ray and reflected ray.
No, after incident ray, I never drawn reflected ray. I have drawn the normal. Once the light is incidenting, I need to draw the normal. Normal will always be 90 degrees to the mirror. Black color dotted line. Now he is asking angle of reflection angular. For angular, you need to find angle I because both are same. What is angle of incidence beta?
90.
Oh, 90. What is angle of incidence meaning? Angle between whom and whom?
Then normal and
Incident ray. So
yeah,
incident ray is red and normal is black dotted line. What is the angle between these two lines?
it's the same. Like they're passing through one only.
So there is no angle. They are on
Yeah.
each other, 0 degrees.
Okay.
Okay. So if angle I equal to 0 degrees, angle R equal to 0 degrees. So your answer should be A. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So always try to do that one step and then go for the answer. Okay. Okay. Next question. So let us increase slowly the level. Huh? Oh. So how much you are aiming this time in your class 10? So what is your marks in class 9, first of all?
In science, like total,
Overall, I want.
yeah, like total marks in science. I got, I think, 50,
Per how many
80.
marks? 80. Okay. So if I ask you, how do you rate yourself? Average, above average, excellent, exceptional.
In science, I wouldn't say excellent. I'd say average because I know the basic definition, how to solve something
Okay. Maths.
maths. Maths maybe I'd say I'm like in 10th grade. I'm able to understand the concept more. So after the exams, I'll maybe rate myself.
Okay. Good. So first of all, whenever this question is asked, try to say yourself, I'm very good at it. Okay. But I want to improve it. Yeah.
Okay.
So find the angle of reflection. So first step. So now I am giving the complete template. Whatever question comes, you need to follow this template. Okay. Again, I'm saying you can practice 100 questions. That there will be a surprise new question. So if you're following the concept and template, then so full marks are with you, student. First, complete the diagram. So do this one step.
Okay.
Complete the diagram. I'll be giving another two steps, which is a template for all type of this such type of question.
Okay.
Complete the diagram. Try to draw and complete the diagram. See how the light is incidenting. Try to draw the normal. After drawing the normal, go for the reflection of light. There is an incident light. This incident light is hitting. I need to draw the normal, but already normal is there. So I'll just say
Uh,
light got reflected. Yeah, go ahead. Any doubts?
I is the answer 30?
Oh, you are very near.
Uh, in mirror one it is 30. In mirror two, when it is reflecting, again you have to draw
Okay,
the
okay,
normal.
very good. Very good to see you are right. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so once again, light is incidenting. So I need to draw the normal because it is also mirror again. I need
Yeah,
to
I
draw the
did
normal.
that.
Then you need to say. Okay, so this is the completion of diagram. Second step, use the data. Use it. So what is data here?
60 degrees.
Very good. So 60 degrees is here. It is already beside my light. So I can directly use it. This is 60. What will be this beta?
30.
30. You know, total should be 90. If this is 30, what will be this?
30.
30. Very good. You have used the data. But finally, I want this particular angle, angle of reflection from mirror to inside. Third step, little geometry. Questions based on geometry because I need to use the geometry. Yeah. So now, what geometry did you use to find this particular angle?
I didn't like use geometry.
Okay. So geometry means many concepts will come. That's up to your imagination. Okay. So I'm able. So whenever I'm saying geometry, you at least try for this first step. Realize triangles. So I'm writing the alphabets A, B, C, D, E. Are you able to see any triangles?
Yeah, there are two triangles.
Okay, say me one triangle name.
Uh, Triangle ACD or triangle ADB.
Okay, triangle ABD you said. Okay. Now if you are considering this as a triangle, any so you see this is 90 degrees better. Both these are 90 degrees. Obviously their normals also intersect at 90 degrees. So if this is 30, if this is 90, can you find this one?
Okay. 30. Total should be 180.
Very good. I'm considering this as X. Total should be 180.
120. Yeah.
180 minus 120. So answer should be 60. If this is 60, this will also be 60.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you suppose, no, sir, I am not able to recognize that particular triangle. I don't know what you are saying. I'm only able
Then
to recognize ACD. Okay, let me use ACD. So ACD, one angle I know better. I want this angle, which I'm taking as X. So this is 90. 90 plus X equal to 180. But you see, there should be third angle.
we
What
have
will be this
60.
angle? Very good. In a straight line, total angle should be 180. So this is 60. 60 plus 90. So X equal to 30. If this is 30, ये कितना होगा गुप्ता?
वो भी 30 60.
60 होगा तो ये भी 60 होगा. Same answer. Okay.
Yes.
So this is a template, but still there is one more arrow here. Huh? I'll try to explain that. Yeah, now you are able to see the triangle, so you are giving the right answers. Sometimes you may not assume your eye may not be viewing you the particular triangle. Then what to do? So there is one more thing. Okay, so let me say, what are these two black lines?
The parallel lines.
What is this pink color line?
Transversal line.
Transversal. So if I ask you this angle, is it same? If so, what is the name?
Uh, alternate interior
Very
angles.
good, right answer. So this angle will also be same,
Yeah.
alternate interior angle. What about this angle, this angle?
Uh, I forgot. Oh, it's uh, no, not parallel.
You see black line, pink line here.
Yeah.
Black line, pink line here. So almost same. They are exactly same. Corresponding angles.
Yeah, corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. Okay. And alternate interior angles, why you are calling? Because these two angles are inside parallel lines, interior. They are on the alternate side of the transversal. Alternate interior angles, we call it.
Yes.
Okay. So and this one, beta, are they same?
Vertically opposite angles.
Very good. You have some concepts of this. I'm very happy for that. Now let us use the geometry on this funda. Okay, sir, I'm not able to realize this triangle. Can you say me anything? Okay, check for parallel lines concept. Check for parallel lines. Yeah, any parallel lines?
Yeah, yeah, A, B, and C, D.
Very good. A, B, C, D, parallel lines, and AD is a transversal. So if this is 30, what will be this?
30.
What is the reason?
Uh, Alternate
Yes, if this is
interior
30, what
angles.
will be this?
60.
60. If this is 60, this is also 60. Same answer. Okay, student, got it?
Yes.
Let us do the last question and stop our demo.
Okay.
So I'll give some proper time. So think, I have given the template. I'll repeat also. Complete the diagram. Use the data. Check for the geometry. This is a template for all the 100 questions you will be doing in any reference book also.
Just like I'll take a few minutes.
Take it, take it. We are one to one, so you have full freedom. Complete the diagram, use the data, and then little geometry.
Hmm. No, I can't hear you.
I did not speak to you. I was speaking to myself.
Oh,
So Gupta, how long you are in Hyderabad?
like four. I don't really, like count the years.
Acha. So you
Yeah,
know Telugu also?
yeah, I know like the little. My second language is Hindi.
Okay. So there is an incident light. Soon the where is over hitting it? I have drawn the normal. Normal to mirror one should be like this. I mean to say. I just said the same thing.
Yeah. Mm,
Okay. Then once the light hit it, obviously light should reflect. Light is reflecting like this.
yes. I'm
Like this.
just getting it.
Again it's a mirror. Again I need to draw the normal.
I did that. Then the normal is 90.
Okay.
That is coming in between. This is 90. If that is 90. then that is,
Yeah. So if you have done this, your first step is finished, beta. Okay.
yeah, I'm almost done. I understood it just.
Second step, use the data. Where is the data lying?
60 is the data.
So you need to use this. That means you need to bring the 60 near the light. So where can you bring the 60?
We can bring it. Okay.
If you want to take the help of geometry, you can do it here also. You can see.
It's like answer 30.
Yes, I think you are right. But can you say me the way? This is 60. Where is another? How did you use this 60?
See, that, when you draw that, see, the laser when it's pointing, that is the incident ray.
Hmm,
And then when you, like, when it's reflecting the normal ray, that is 90 degrees.
hmm,
Again, when that the reflected ray is the incident ray for the other one, and then it's forming another reflected ray. There's another normal ray which is what do you say, intersecting with the first normal ray,
hmm. This
and then that is 90 over there.
this one?
Yeah,
No, why?
no, not that. Like, the top parts.
This one?
Uh,
This one you're saying? I'll zoom in. This one?
no, see, like that
I
90.
have I have given the alphabets better. You can use the word alphabets
D.
at D. So you're saying this is so this one 90.
Yeah,
Okay. So yes, you are absolutely right. So you can see, sir, this and this feel something like parallel line. So if I'm drawing some normal, this angle will be 90 degrees. That's fine. But
yeah,
you see, that is fine. But I want to use this data. I want to bring this 60 over here, somewhere near the light. So how are you bringing this 60?
yeah.
Now you see, these two are parallel lines. This is the transversal.
That is corresponding.
Very good. Then that is what you need to say. So these two are parallel. This is 60. This will be 60 corresponding angles. If this is 60, what will be this beta?
That will be. Then you have to do that is also 60, I think.
No, no, you see, it's a normal. Total should be 90. This is 60. This should be
30.
30. If this is 30, what will
Then
be this?
30, 90, it's
Ah,
a
okay.
120. Then 120 is what? 180. That is 30.
30 is answer. Okay. Now you are able to see. So two steps finished. You have completed that and you have used it. The third step, little geometry. If you are taking ADC, so sir, this total is 60. This is 90, 90, 60, 150. This should be 30.
Hmm.
Okay. This is 30. This should be 30. Suppose you are not able to see, no sir, I'm not able to realize this particular triangles. I'm able to see only up to here. So if this is 60, this is 30, this is 60, what will be this angle beta?
That like 60, and then 180 minus 60, right?
Total should be 180,
Yeah, then it will be
60 or
120. Huh?
this is 120. This should be 60. Then only total
360.
is 180.
Yeah.
Okay, if this is 60, this is 60. This will be 60. If this is 60, this will be 30. Again, answer will be same.
I did it in the first way, like you told.
First way only. Okay, that's up to you. Okay. So understood how we are using the templates.
Yes.
Okay. So then I'll just stop after just asking you what is refraction of light. As our topic is reflection and reflection,
Yeah.
what is refraction of light?
Refraction of light is when light ray like changes from a rarer medium to a denser medium. It moves towards the more normal, and then when the medium changes from rarer to denser, it moves like from denser to rarer.
Yeah. So
It
yeah.
moves
So
away from the normal. Glass slab. You can take an example of glass slab.
very good, student. So you have given me further classification. I just asked randomly, you have given further. That's right. You can see light is coming from air to glass. Change in medium is there. So that's the reason you are able to see bending of light here. So I'll be drawing some green color line. Little bending of the light is. Light always travels in a straight line, but whenever changing from medium to medium, there will be bending. Until and unless it is there in air, it is straight. But again, in the glass, it is straight. But when you compare air and glass, little bending is there. That is
Yeah.
nothing but refraction of light. Refraction of light is nothing but the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. Okay. So, what are the awards over your backside? Is it yours or your father's?
All of these are my father's. Only this one is mine.
Okay. So, what is he actually?
He's like he works in position like job.
Okay, students. So, that's all from my side. Any doubts in today's session?
No.
Nothing?
The thing is, I don't. We don't like. I didn't use geometry in the chapter in light.
Yeah, so that is what I said. Your NCRT book and your schools will not be giving what is required actually. Okay, so little extra I need to give it. Okay, so you will be facing such questions when you go to the previous year questions. You will be seeing such questions.
Here in our book, for concave and convex, there are like different, like many diagrams for different ray passing. How should I remember it? It's really hard. Like these many diagrams.
You see, actually those diagrams should not be remembered. You will close your eyes and think about the one activity. You will write like this. In your sleep also, you will be writing the right answer. That is the way I teach it. Okay. So I'll make it ultra clear. I'll make it very easy for your concepts. Okay.
Okay.
So what else? Yeah. So student, how our session works. You see, I generally teach in groups and hardly 10 to 12 students group. You need to write whatever I am saying in your own words, because even if you have 100 books, the best book is the one which you are writing in your own words, in your own handwriting.
Yes.
Okay, you need to make separate book for each subject, and you need to write it. Now if you ask me, sir, I can't write in that much speed, you just leave the space for the questions and do the answers. After our session, I'll be sending entire PDF. You can copy it. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Like
our session.
I wrote this by my own. I read the chapter and I wrote it everything like by
Oh,
my own. I drew
oh,
the diagrams,
okay, okay.
different lenses, spherical.
Anyhow, I'll be giving the entire notes also, but again, your own book, your own handwriting is the best way.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So in that way, we'll be this is how my session runs. Okay.
Yeah.
So please give feedback to your parents. Let me speak to them after some time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.